Hey everyone, so in today's video, which is actually an audio, I'm going to give you my best 9 tips to help you prepare for filing your taxes in 2022, which will be for the 2021 tax year. All right, I know social media platforms are like stingy and they want exclusive content created for their platforms, but I'm on multiple platforms, so I'm doing this one video and sharing it on all my social media, okay? So if this is your first time hearing from me, hello, my name is Tasha Harge, and I'm a tax strategist, business consultant, and coach to middle and high income entrepreneurs around the United States. To everyone who's already a part of my community, welcome back. All right, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, please be sure to subscribe. And if you're watching this on my Instagram or Facebook, please be sure to follow so you don't miss my next informative post. All right, I'm always chatting about taxes and entrepreneurship because I like to keep my community informed. This video/audio is for educational purposes only and should not be used as professional advice. If you want professional advice, please ask your advisor, or you can contact me directly if you want me to be your advisor. Okay, so here are my tips that I'm going to go through pretty quick because I highly value your time. So number 1, if you think you're going to owe a balance to the IRS, you should explore the option of contributing to your retirement account and maybe even maximize your contribution limit. This will help to reduce the amount of money you have to hand over to them, okay? Number 2, review your tax filing from last year to see if you've had any changes for this year. You might have had some sort of life event that took place, all right, which is going to have an impact when you file for 2021 as opposed to how you filed in 2020. All right. Number 3, do everything you can to protect yourself from tax fraud and scams. And as a matter of fact, if you scroll my feed, I recently did a short video where I went into further details about that topic. All right. Number 4, if you received the 3rd stimulus earlier this year, please be on the lookout in early 2022 for a letter from the IRS. They did the same thing earlier this year when they sent out letters about the stimulus money that everyone who was eligible received. And what happened was a lot of people misplaced that letter, so a whole lot of people incorrectly reported the stimulus amount, which then held up the IRS with all that processing. So this time, please do not lose the letter because you're going to need information from it. So have it ready to give the person who's preparing your taxes, or have it handy if you're preparing your own taxes. Number 5, speaking of who's preparing your taxes, if you're searching for a new person, you should start searching from now because you will want to do your research to find out if you want to actually use this person, okay, so you can get on their list sooner than later. If you're a business owner or you have some type of side hustle going on, you want to make sure this person is familiar with small business tax matters, tax strategies, and that they have a good understanding of the industry you're in. Number 6, please begin to organize your tax documents and information. As documents begin to come in, put it in a folder or an envelope, or take a picture of it with your phone. Store the image on Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever cloud space you have. Okay, if there's something you're supposed to log in and download, make sure you do that. Number 7, if you're an entrepreneur, get your financials in order and put together your income statement for your small business. And as a matter of fact, I actually have a tracker workbook called Master Your Revenue that you can find in my link. It will help you get things together financially. Okay, number 8. If you have children under the age of 18 and you receive the child tax credit, you're going to have to do some comparisons, or either the person who does your taxes obviously is going to have to do some comparisons, but you got to let them know, guys, right? Because if whatever you received in 2021, once all of your numbers go in the system and everything gets factored in, if you were not eligible for everything you received in 2021, you're going to have to repay some or all of it back, all right? Whatever you weren't eligible for, you're going to have to pay it back. And on the flip side, if you were eligible for more and you didn't receive it all, you'll be able to recoup that on the return, okay? So look out for that letter. The IRS is saying they're going to send letters, so we'll see how they do. Number 9, okay, the IRS is really pushing for all of us to have an online account. So if you don't already have one set up, I highly encourage you to do so. The online account allows you to see any balances you have with them. And if you do have a balance, you can make payments through your online account. You can also view certain notices. You can access your tax transcripts. You can view the address they have on file for you. So like, let's say if you need to change it, there's a form you file to change that, but at least you'll know what they have. All right, so go to irs.gov and get yourself all set up. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.